How to fix Windows Defender missing on Windows 11. Are you having trouble finding Windows Defender on Windows 11? Although many users complained about Windows Defender in the past, in fact, when people found out that Windows Defender was not on their computer, they were worried about being attacked by viruses. We'll introduce the reasons and solutions for Windows Defender missing. Why can't I find Windows Defender? There are various reasons why Windows Defender cannot be found in Windows 11, such as malware infections and issues with its services. Registry changes such as Windows Defender being disabled can also cause Windows Defender missing. To fix Windows Defender missing in Windows 11, you need to reinstall Windows Defender. There are several ways to reinstall Windows Defender in Windows 11. Let's check them one by one. Reinstall Windows Defender in Windows 11. One, install using PowerShell. Right-click the Start icon and select the Windows Terminal Admin option to open. Click the Yes button. Paste the following commands, pressing Enter after each command. Set execution policy unrestricted. Get Apex package users for each. Add Ax package disable development mode register $__install location \Apex manifest.xml. These commands can help you reinstall all default Windows applications. This works great if Windows Defender is missing in Windows 11 due to file corruption during upgrade. Two, repair and reinstall. Open the search menu, type Terminal, right-click on the relevant search result, and select Run as administrator. Click Yes at the UAC prompt. Paste the following command and press Enter. Get Ax package Microsoft.sec HealthUL users, reset Ax package. If Windows Defender is installed incorrectly or incompletely, executing the above command will remove all its components from the PC and reinstall Windows Defender in Windows 11. Three, perform Windows Update. Press the Windows key and select the Settings application. Select the Windows Update option in the left pane. Click the Check for Updates button in the right pane. If an update is listed after the scan, download and install it on your computer. Updating the version of Windows can fix Windows Defender missing from Windows 11 due to version issues. Four, perform a system restore. Press Windows +R to start the Run command, enter restore.exe in the text field, click OK. Select Next in the System Restore window to continue. Select a restore point and click Next. Verify the restore details and click Finish. If you find that Windows Defender is missing after updating Windows 11, this method can help you restore your lost Windows Defender back to the previous state. The Windows Defender missing issue is not the first issue that users face. Some users believe that Windows Defender is not turned on or enabled. But whatever the cause, please try the methods provided in this article for users who are facing this issue. It can quickly solve the Windows Defender missing problem in Windows 11.
For software and technology news, visit the MezoSoft.net. For more videos, subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.